Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if Samsung A14 voicemail notifications won't go away. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, click on this filter icon and then turn on show system apps. After that, scroll down and then from here open phone services. Now go to the storage of phone services and then clear the data and cache memory of phone services. Now click on delete and go back and now open phone. Now go to the storage of phone and now clear the app data and cache memory of phone app.